Hey guys, Rowdydawg down in the dog house. Hey, look what I got here. Do you recognize that? That's an old, that's a completely burn up star capacitor for this old motor here. It's a gear motor that runs a little mechanism, but dang. I mean, that thing is fried to a crisp. And I need to make up some new spades, right? I need to make up some new, put some new terminals on the wiring that I'm going to use to replace that thing. But I wanted to show you this tool I just got in. These people sent me this to do a review on because they know I do a lot of DIY, a lot of electrical. I do custom one-off control systems and things. And they sent me this to show you guys. And what this is it's a Haisstronica crimping tool. And this is really cool because it has this compression. Hear that compression? And it has a ratcheting, so it compresses. And you have 6 different adjustments of compression here. So this thing is completely adjustable. See that little knob right there? It has a little release on it, so you can turn this knob and get the compression you need for the type of terminal that you're going to be putting on, whether it's a butt splice, spade terminal, stake, fork stake, whatever. But really cool. See the jaws here? Very cool. And these jaws can be removed. What's this? You just pop, there's a little button, you pop that, and you can take the jaws out and replace them with other jaws for different types of connectors that you're using. The handle is very nice. I'm left-handed, so, but there's the brand name stamped into it. And listen to that ratcheting, and then see how it does that at the end. Let me show you one. Here's a little piece of wire here. I'm gonna put a spade connector on it, and we'll just do a little crimp on that. Okay, see that? Now it even gives you a color code. See, I've got the blue there, and I'll put in the blue terminal section, and we'll squeeze it down. That's all you got to do. It's a one squeeze, and you're done. Boom, done, and then it releases. And see the terminal there? Is that cool or what? It's a really nice crimp. You got a nice solid connection, and you don't have to worry about it coming loose. Quick, easy. Convenient to work with. I love that it has this non-skip handle, and that crimp works great. What's cool too is both sides can be released, so you can put on different dies for different connectors. Really cool. Anyway guys, this thing will do all different kinds of connectors. You've got butt splices, you've got fork connectors, any type of connector you need. You can use heat shrink connectors, whatever, to get that good butt splice, and then heat shrink it down. But there's the product right there. Really nice. Here's the brand name, Crimping tool. You guys check it out. I think it's a cool product. I'll be getting some use out of it when I build my control systems or do any kind of electrical work if I need connectors to replace connectors or add connectors to new wiring. So, okay, pretty cool. That's what I have to say about it. Y'all take care. Show it to you again. There it is. Neat deal. And it releases. I like that part too. It releases after the crimp. Very cool. All right, y'all take care.